QJA Espresso Machine with grinder is an ideal addition to any kitchen, bringing professional quality espresso making into the comfort of your home. I have provided the link to this product in the description below so that you can check the latest pricing details and offers if available. Whether you prefer the boldness of espresso or the lightness of a hand-brewed coffee, this machine offers the versatility and functionality to cater to your needs. With upgraded features, this machine promises to deliver a delightful coffee experience. First, the machine is designed with 30 grinding settings, allowing you to fine-tune the grind to your preference. Whether you like your coffee coarse for hand brewing or fine for that strong, rich espresso flavor, it can accommodate any taste. The grinder ensures precision and consistency, which is key to brewing the perfect cup. You can easily adjust the grinder to achieve the exact texture you need. Moreover, the QJA Espresso Machine also includes an adjustable temperature function. With 5 levels to choose from, you can control the temperature for different coffee beans and personal taste preferences. This ensures that the aroma and flavor profiles of the beans are fully retained during the brewing process. The ability to set the perfect temperature opens up new possibilities for coffee customization, making each cup uniquely tailored to your liking. One of the standout features of this espresso maker is its newly added powder ring. This thoughtful accessory eliminates the common problem of coffee powder spilling during the collection process. By securely fitting into the powder container, it ensures that all the ground coffee is accurately dispensed into the portafilter, minimizing waste and simplifying cleanup. The steam wand of the QJA Espresso Machine has also been upgraded for safety and functionality. The pull ring design ensures that you can safely create milk foam and heat milk without worrying about accidental burns. It's designed with anti-scalding features to provide peace of mind, allowing you to focus on crafting the perfect latte or cappuccino. With a 2.5-liter capacity, this espresso machine is ideal for multiple servings, whether you're making coffee for yourself or a group of friends. The removable tank makes it easier to clean and maintain, while the self-cleaning function adds to the convenience. The stainless steel body gives the machine a sleek, professional look, making it a durable and stylish addition to any kitchen. I have provided the link to this product in the description below so that you can check the latest pricing details and offers if available. This espresso machine is designed to meet the needs of coffee enthusiasts, offering a wide range of functions that combine convenience and safety, all while delivering the rich flavors and aromas that coffee lovers crave.